I need pancakes. Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. One of my favorite morning routines in Tokyo was to go to these like mom and pop coffee shops where they serve the most amazing, fluffiest souffle pancakes. Now, of course, there are several great cafes in New York that serve like pretty good pancakes and waffles, but it just doesn't have that fluffiness that I crave. But with this souffle pancake recipe, I'm able to recreate that feeling of being in like a traditional Tokyo cafe. And I hope you'll be able to as well, so let's get started. Prepare 2 bowls to separate the egg whites from the yolks. We'll be using 3 medium-sized eggs. Crack open the egg and leave the yolk while pouring the white. I'm clearly struggling with this. And why is it teasing me with such an appealing shape? You know what, I'm just gonna dump it all at once and scoop them up one by one. Yep, that is definitely much easier. We won't need the 3rd yolk. It's nice and separated now. Now prepare 50 grams of pancake mix or flour, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, so kawaii, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's put it all into the yolk bowl and mix it up. It should be even and thick like this. Put it aside and let's prepare the meringue. I don't typically use toys, but having an electric mixer will really help with this process. First, just mix the white until it's slightly bubbly. The 2 key ingredients that makes it extra fluffy is potato starch and lemon juice. So pour 1 tablespoon of potato starch and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it all up until it's super creamy and fluffy. This process can potentially take quite some time, but it's crucial to be patient. It's starting to look creamy. It's ready when it can spike it up like this and stand on its own. It can't be liquidy at all. Now place about 1/3 of the meringue into the yolk bowl and mix it up until it's evenly distributed. Pour the mixture back into the meringue bowl. Now mix it up in a scooping, rotating fashion. Stirring too hard will make it too liquidy and will lose its fluffiness. It should end up looking and feeling like this. If you have a non-stick pan, pour some oil and rub it in until the whole surface is covered. I don't, so I'll be using a baking sheet. To make the shape as circular as possible, I'm using cookie cutters wrapped in baking sheet. Now place them onto the pan and pour the mixture into each mold. You don't need to fill it to the top, as they will rise as they heat up. Pour some water evenly into the pan. Close the lid and steam it for 6 minutes on low heat. I'm gonna make some coffee while we wait. If you don't have an espresso machine, you're really missing out. I love the sound, I love the smell. Oh, what would I do without you? Die, probably. Let's make it into an Irish coffee. Cause there's never a wrong time for whiskey, right? Pour some whipped cream on there. Oh yeah. Last check up on the pancakes. Looking good. See, they rose to the top. Now flip them over very, very carefully. A little spillage here, but whatever. Oh, this one went better. Pour some water evenly into the pan again. Close the lid and steam it for 5 minutes. Let's prepare the toppings while we wait. I'm keeping it simple with just strawberries, whipped cream, and more sugar. Ooh, looks spectacular. Oh, it's so fluffy. Use a stick to loosen up the pancake from the mold, and it should just slide right off. Do the same for the other ones, and peel off the baking sheet. Ooh, so thick and girthy. Now gently stack them up onto a plate. I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar in between. Keep on stacking. Oh, it almost toppled over. Add some strawberries at the bottom. Top it off with some whipped cream, and finished. Yeah, definitely very fluffy and delicious. I was hoping to have this video up last week during Thanksgiving, but I got distracted by thinking about a lot of random things. I saw a lot of my friends visiting their families, and it just kind of made me wonder about my own situation. I left my life back in Japan a couple months ago, and I didn't do it in the most graceful way, especially with my family, so I have no idea when I'll see them again. I have no idea where I'm going with this, so I'll just say take care of your family, take care of yourself, especially with the new Decepticon or whatever is called variant of the COVID thing that's still apparently out there. Well, until next time, bye.